Alright, I wanted to take a little video of Sumowaki number 1. I just got this thing all wrapped up here. And this has my new APOC graffiti finish, which actually uses 4 different acid washing steps. Really like how it's turned out. Nice sheath, all adjustable. Definitely the biggest sheath I've done so far, at least lengthwise. The Hogshetti was wider, but it was still quite the challenge.